Alright guys, this is something I'm super excited about. This is the BuddyRC Magnet Stretch 3-inch FPV racing drone. This is something that BuddyRC has been working on with its team pilots for quite a while, and I think we're all just really excited to see this thing finally hit the shelves. This is basically ready to go. You need to throw in your receiver, but outside of that, it's already fully built up. It even comes with 2 batteries. This is the first pre-built drone that I've seen that's sold with premium components across the board. All right, let's see what's in the box. So this is actually a box that will go on hobby store shelves around the country, which I think is really cool. All right, so what's inside the box? So I've got kind of an early release version of this. You can see there are 2 spots here where it looks like some things could go. Those are actually going to come with 2 Tattoo R-Line 450 3S packs. So when you order yours, you're going to have, 2 batteries that it comes with. Underneath of the drone, we have a battery strap, a small piece of foam, or no, actually it's a sticky rubber, and that's going to go on the bottom of the frame here to hold that battery in place so you're not having battery ejections. And it looks like a pack of 2 sets of the 2540 Jim Fam Flash tri-blade propellers. I've used the flashes quite a bit, and this is a pretty high-end propeller. I think you're really going to like how it performs. And then it looks like we've got a bag of extra screws. So it looks like some M2 and some M3 different sizes. I'm guessing if you need to replace anything on here. Every one of these quads is tested in the factory before you get it. So they're going to go in and test the LEDs VTX OSD, and they even throw a receiver in there and fly this and make sure you're getting something that is ready to go. Alright, so here's the frame itself. The frame is actually designed and engineered by Detroit Multi-Rotor. I don't know if you're familiar with their frames, but it's a very high quality frame. It's got the chamfered edges all the way around. It's got 3mm arms, a 2mm bottom plate, and a 1.5mm top plate. For a 3-inch, it's a good mix between durability and keeping the frame lightweight. I can tell you that the carbon on this thing has been tested and it has held up to some serious abuse. It can take 2 to 3-inch props. I'm probably going to end up running this with some 2.5s, just like the 2.5-inch props provided. It's got the kind of the etched in. I forgot how they put this on there. It's some kind of. It's not just a sticker stuck on there, but that's actually like laid into the carbon fiber. All right, the dry weight on this with props and everything ready to go is 107 grams. With the 652S, you're looking at about 145 grams. With a 453S, you're looking at about 153 grams. This is what you can expect yours to weigh out of the box, as this is the same size battery that it'll come with. And then with a 650 4S, you're looking at about 176 grams. This is quite a bit heavier than the 2S setup, but the power output's going to be just insane. All right, you've heard me use the word premium a handful of times now, and I want to show you why I'm saying that. So let's step through the components individually and see what we're looking at. The frame itself is designed by Detroit Multi-Rotors. Detroit Multi-Rotor Company is one of the leading designers in FPV racing quads. The frame itself is a 4K carbon fiber. The arms are 3mm. It's got a 2mm bottom plate and a 1.5mm top plate, and it can swing up to 3-inch props. For the camera, we're looking at the Micro Swift V2. This is the camera that I use on all of my 5-inch racing drones. For the video transmitter, we're going to be using the Unify Pro Race from Team Black Sheep. This is a proven transmitter. It can output at 25 and 200 milliwatts, and it's smart audio ready. For the ESC, it's going to be running the new SpeedX 32-bit 25-amp 4-in-1, which is D-Shot 1200 compatible, and it also enables you to turn on modes like Turtle Mode or ESC beepers. For the flight controller, it's running the Omnibus F4. This has got built-in OSD. It has no problems running in AK PID and gyro loop times with dynamic filtering on for buttery smooth flights. It's got 2 usable UARTs, so you can hook up peripherals for things like smart audio on your video transmitter or smart port telemetry on your RSXR receivers. For the motors, it's running the Sunny Sky Edge Racing 1106 5500 kV brushless motors. That 5500 kV is just a really good balance so that you can run down to 2S batteries or up to 4S batteries without the fear of smoking your motors or frying your components. It comes with 8 2540 Jim Fam Flash tri-blade props. This is the prop that I run on a lot of my other 2.5 and 3-inch drones. and I think it's a pretty proven prop, and it's something I think you're going to really enjoy. It comes with two 450 milliamp 3S batteries, and that's either going to be the Tattoo R line or the Glacier Ice 75C batteries. And it's got an insanely bright back-facing programmable LED that is currently programmed to look like the BuddyRC Magnet, so everyone's going to see you flying out there. I'm curious to get your guys' feedback about this setup because the guys at BuddyRC worked really hard to make sure they were bringing you the most top-of-the-line premium components in this package. Drop me a comment below and tell us what you think about this setup.
Alright, in the next video I'm going to show you how I wire up the receiver and the smart audio. Then we're going to jump into the Betaflight configuration. And then I'm going to strap a GoPro to the top and see how it flies.